Hello and welcome to PPLIO. This video is your guide to install the PPLIO People Connect app on Linux. As a prerequisite, we recommend 64-bit AMD or Intel-based processor and at least 8 GB of RAM. Please ensure the current user has admin privileges. We need to make sure you disable the Wayland Enable option. Open a command line terminal, type the command on the screen. Enter the admin password and the configuration file will open. Set Wayland Enable equals false or remove the hashtag symbol in front of Wayland Enable equals false to uncomment the line, then save the file. Open your Downloads folder, right-click in the window and select Open in Terminal. To install the application, type the command on the screen. Press Enter. Enter your Ubuntu admin password and press Enter. After installation is complete, the application will be added to your Applications menu. Find PPLIO People Connect in from your applications. You'll need to open the app manually the first time. After that, PPLIO People Connect will launch automatically whenever you log in, ensuring a seamless experience. Once the app opens, you'll be prompted to verify your account. Enter your organizational email ID and click Continue. Check your inbox, including spam or junk folders, for a verification email from PPLIO. Enter the OTP from the email and click Verify. After verification, review and accept the consent agreement by clicking I agree. You'll then be asked to set your work schedule by entering your start and finish times. If prompted, select your manager from the drop-down list. Finally, click Save My Work Profile to confirm your details. Once completed, the PPLIO Launchpad will appear and you're ready to get started. Thank you for watching.